Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am diving into an exciting tool called Emergent Mind. If you are passionate about AI and computer sciences research but find it hard to keep up, this platform might just be your new best friend. Emergent Mind is an AI-powered research assistant that helps you to stay on top of the latest research papers. It pulls data from multiple sources like Arxiv and GitHub, organizing everything in a clear, accessible way. One practical use case is if a data scientist working on a new project involving natural language processing. With Emergent Mind, you can quickly find the latest papers and code implementations. See what trending. This saves times and keeps you informed on cutting edge techniques. Here, as you can see, this is a complete website where you can see an AI research assistant, and this is a search bar. Now, how you can use this tool? First of all, there are several options here, but you don't need to log in to find something. What you have to do is you just have to type something. If you are interested in some topics, you can type just here, or you have several prompts here, you can choose accordingly. Suppose I am interested in the RAG papers, which is retrieval augmented generation, which is a part of AI. So let's try this one. Here, as you can see, when I just click on this button, it shows me that it is searching, and this is a complete paper and research, complete documentation, which is retrieval augmented generation is an important area in natural language processing that combines information retrieval with the generation methods to enhance the capability of LLMs. In the past 2 weeks, several significant papers have been published, each contributions, novels, insights, and methodologies to the field of RAG. Then we have the recent innovations in RAG. We have the funnel RAG, then we have long RAG. There are several other options, and even you can see that we have the clicks on that button. So here, as you can see, it is showing me the references. This is showing me that the funnel RAG, which is this paper, and which is about 14th of October 2024. Then we have 23 of October 2024. These are basically the papers. Then we have related papers. If I am interested in some other research paper, I can find and click on this button. Now let's try some others. Like if I am interested in some person information, like if I'm go with the Sam Altman. So this is a complete paper, but it is showing me that sign up is required. It is showing me this type of information here. It is not showing me the complete information, but just provided me some of the information. To log in, it will show me a complete information about Sam Altman. Let's try some other person, which is Meera Marathi. Those people who don't know who is Meera Marathi, Meera is CTO of OpenAI, Chief Technology Officer. Meera Marathi research interested primarily revolve around the development and evaluation of advanced LLMs, which with a particular focus on their architectural, functional, and safety aspects in the GPT-4 Technical Report 2023. And if you guys are interested details of this tool, you have some FAQs, you can get the answers according to your requirements. So this is an Emergent Mind tool, which is an AI assistant tool for computer sciences and research paper. Emergent Mind makes it easy to stay up to date and rapidly evolving world of AI. If you are ready to streamline your research, give it a try. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. I will be joining you in the next video. Take care.